Hello Freelancer. In today's instructional video, I am going to teach you the process of sending a proposal for a project. So initially, kindly navigate to the Freelancing post. Upon reaching there, proceed to log into your Freelancer account on the website. Once you have successfully logged in, you will notice a search section located at the top where there is also a filtering option similar to the Freelancer's second. You have the ability to search for various services, and additionally, you can search for projects as well. We will straightforwardly choose the project. Upon selecting, if I am searching for any specific project here, such as if I require something pertaining to video editing, I can effortlessly search for video editing and directly access any post. Alternatively, you can also navigate here. There exists a section for projects available here, and we will straightforwardly click on the projects. Once you click on projects, all the project listings available on this website will appear in front of you. You can observe below that there are numerous projects visible here, but let's explore using the filters. For instance, if I navigate to the project title and keyword section, I have the option to search by entering any specific project title or keyword here. Subsequently, you can search around the city to determine if there are any projects available in your city, or you can search by inputting the name of a particular city. Or you can select the category here like video editing, graphic designing, animation, website development, as there are many categories listed here. You can click here and search according to your preference. Next, we will look at the side filter. In the side filter, there is a location option. You can search here based on location as well. If you need in the USA, you can select the USA country or choose India, Pakistan or any country you want, and also check the state of that country. You have the option to verify and also examine the city, and here the price signifies the budget requirement for the project. You can search within that budget range by utilizing the filters provided here. Additionally, in which language do you require it? You can also search by selecting the option here. In which specific skill do you need it? You can choose here and view your project accordingly. Now we will proceed to learn how to send a proposal for the project. So here's the next project. I will just click on it. Upon clicking, I will proceed to open it in a new tab. So I have successfully opened it in a new tab. Here, you can initially observe the title at the top indicating what the title is. You can also view the author's name along with the skills that are required. They have specified it here, including the number of days you have to deliver it in. This information is mentioned here, and you can also see how many individuals have applied for it and how many people have viewed it. You can observe that too. This proposal mainly shows how many people have applied here. The fewer people apply, the less competition there will be for you. After that, you can see the price on the side, which shows the client's price ranging from 5 to 15, and within how many days it needs to be delivered is also mentioned here. They have specified whether the experience required is at the junior level or special level. The language skills you need to have are also mentioned here, so you can see it. The client has mentioned the next project's description in full detail. Like they create blogging content, they are a content creator. They need a video editor for blogging, so they have mentioned the type of reels for blogging. The duration is usually between 30 to 60 seconds. What all will be added in it? They have mentioned many things, and they have also provided a video reference, indicating they need a video of that type. If I click on it to open, so they have specified it. Certainly it is a blogging video of this particular type. You can observe their reference, and their real budget tender is elaborated in detail. They have supplied comprehensive details about which specific software is necessary and what is required for the entire project, so you can verify that. They have also included a video which could potentially be their introductory video. They might have also attached the video reference they require, and below you can find the FAQs and additional details. You can observe all the comprehensive details regarding the author below. Okay, but we have already reviewed all the information. Now we shall proceed to send the proposal. Alright, so I will just click on send proposal. Initially, I jot down my rate, specifying what my rate is. They have provided a range from 5 to 15. So here I mention my rate as 10. Alright. The project take time is 1, indicating that I will deliver within a single day. Okay. I take 1 day, and for the cover letter, I need to elaborate on everything here, such as who you are, what your experience is, your portfolio link, your work link, etc. You can include all that here. So, I have simply noted it down. I have written it on Notepad. I will simply open it. I have directly pasted whatever content I had composed on the Notepad here. So let's examine what's written. As I have mentioned, clients and my professional experience are included here, along with the platforms for which I create videos and the software I'm proficient with. Therefore, you should provide your comprehensive details and experience here. In the portfolio section, I have incorporated 3 videos. These 3 videos will be pertinent to your work. For instance, if it's a blogging video, I have provided a reference to a blogging video. It is like I have done this video work, so whatever the client demands, assume they need this type of website, then provide the website link. If they ask for a gaming video, then give the gaming video link. So whatever it is, provide that, and this increases your chances of getting work. Then in the end, I have included you in a hotel. I have added your profile link and all that. Then if you put $10 here, the platform fee amounts to 5%. Therefore, you will receive 9.53 cents deposited into your wallet. Alright, based on this information, you should thoroughly review all the processes and subsequently submit it. You are required to click on the proposal. Alright, subsequent to clicking, I proceed to click on your proposal. Upon clicking, you will be able to see on the dashboard. I have navigated to the proposal section. The order I applied for is displayed here as pending, so the client will either reject or accept your proposal. It will be shown here. Alright, once approved or whatever occurs, you will receive an email. If you wish to make corrections to your proposal, you can click on Edit Proposal and make changes accordingly. You possess the option to make the necessary adjustments and update various elements at a later stage, and subsequently you can dispatch the proposal accordingly. Concerning the method of delivering live projects to the client, I shall cover all of that in the forthcoming video, so kindly do subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.